Alright, hey middles, it is Miss Boundy here, and we're just going to go over converting units of time. So this is for the extension task, and this quick video will help you in solving the 9-worded problems in the flow of the day for today. Okay, so we're going to look at our conversion timetable, and this is really important to remember. Okay, it'll help you solve your questions. So a couple of things that we have to remember is there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in 1 day, 7 days in 1 week, 12 months in 1 year, 52 weeks in 1 year, and 365 days in 1 year. Or if it is a leap year like this year, there will be 366 days. Alright, so now that we've had a look at our conversion timetable, our chart, we're going to go through this question. Now, this question is one of your questions in the flow of the day, so you'll be able to work along with me in this one. Okay, and I just wanted to give you a quick example of how to solve these types of questions. Okay, so we're looking at ordering least to most amount of time. Okay, so we've got our different durations of time, and we're going to order them from least to most. Now, the first thing we can do is we can kind of use our normal or our general knowledge, and I can see that 24 hours is going to be the most. Alright, so we can kind of figure that out by looking at the other ones, and we really know that none of these are going to be more than 24 hours. So we know that our 24 hours is the most amount of time, so we can just put it next to most. Alright, so now a good thing to do if you're really not sure what might go next is to convert your amounts of time into the same amounts of time. Okay, so I'm going to convert my minute and my 2 minutes into seconds. That way it makes it so much easier for me to put them in order from least to most. Okay, so when we had a look at our chart, we know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So our 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And we know that because there is only 60 seconds in 1 minute, we can just double 60 to get our answer for our 2 minutes. Or if you're not good at doubling 60, we can just double 6, which is 12, and then remember to chuck back on that 0. So we know that it's 120 seconds in 2 minutes. Okay, so now that I've converted my minutes into seconds, I can now put them in order from least to most amount of time. So we can see that the 42 seconds is the least amount of time, followed by our 1 minute with only 60 seconds. 100 seconds is next, and our second most amount of time is our 2 minutes with 120 seconds. Okay, so you can see I've ordered it from least to most. Now you can have a go at the questions yourself. Remember to keep referring back to our conversion timetable. It will really, really help you. All right, good luck. Have fun.